Exercise 1.1, sum number 1. They have asked us to find A cross B, A cross A and B cross A. They have given the set A is equal to a set with elements 2, minus 2 and 3, and B as a set with elements 1 and minus 4. Now let us picturize A as a set with the elements 2, minus 2 and 3, and the set B with 1 and minus 4. Now let us associate every element of A with all the elements of B. So now let us take the element 2 and associate it with 1 and minus 4. Similarly, let us take the element minus 2 and associate it with 1 and minus 4 of the set B. Now let us take 3 of the set A and associate it with 1 and minus 4 of the set B. Now we arrive at the 6 ordered pairs 2, 1, 2, minus 4, minus 2, 1, minus 2, minus 4, 3, 1 and 3, minus 4. So A cross B is a set of all ordered pairs 2, 1, 2, minus 4, minus 2, 1, minus 2, minus 4, 3, 1 and 3, minus 4. Now let us go to find A cross A. Now let us picturize A as a set with the elements 2, minus 2 and 3, and again a set A with the elements 2 and minus 2 and 3. Now we arrive at 9 ordered pairs 2, 2, 2, minus 2, 2, 3, minus 2, 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, minus 2 and 3, 3. So the set of all these ordered pairs is A cross A. Now let us go to find B cross A. So let us picturize B with the elements 1 and minus 4 and A with the elements 2, minus 2 and 3. Since it is B cross A, we have picturized B at the first and A at the second. So now let us associate every element of B with all the elements of A. So now let us take 1 and associate it with 2, minus 2 and 3 of the set B, and take minus 4 of B and associate it with the elements 2 and minus 2 and 3 of the set A. So we arrive at 6 ordered pairs 1, 2, 1, minus 2, 1, 3, minus 4, 2, minus 4, minus 2 and minus 4, 3. So B cross A is the set of all these ordered pairs. Let us see the second subdivision. It is given A is equal to B and B is equal to the set P, Q. Now let us picturize it. Let A be a set with the elements P and Q and B be a set with the elements P and Q. Now to find A cross B, let us associate every element of A with all the elements of B. Now we get 4 ordered pairs A cross B is equal to the set of all ordered pairs P, 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 Q, Q, P and Q, Q. Now we are going to find the cross product of A cross A. So let us picturize the set A with the elements PQ, and since the other set is also the set A, we picturize it as a set with the elements P and Q. Now to find A cross A, let us associate every element of A with all the elements of A again. So we get 4 ordered pairs. So A cross A is a set of all ordered pairs P, 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 Q, Q, P and Q, Q. Now let us find B cross A. So let us picturize B with the elements of P and Q and A with the elements P and Q, since both are equal. Now to find B cross A, we have to associate every element of B with all the elements of A. We get 4 ordered pairs. So B cross A is equal to The set of all ordered pairs P comma P, P comma Q, Q comma P and Q comma Q. So now we are going to go to the third subdivision where A is a set containing the elements M and N and B is a null set. Now we are going to find A cross B. Now let us picturize the set A with the elements M and N, and the set B we see, since it's an empty set, it has no elements. So we cannot associate every element of A with the elements of B since B is empty. So A cross B is a null set. Now let us go to find A cross A. We know A is a set with elements M and N, and again we take another A with the elements M and N. Now we get 4 ordered pairs. So A cross A is the set of all ordered pairs M comma M, M comma N, N comma M and N comma N. Now let us find out B cross A. Now we have picturized B as an empty set with no elements and A with the elements M and N. Since B is empty and we cannot find any element there, we cannot find any association between B and A. So B cross A is an empty set. Let us solve sum number 2. It is given A is a set with elements 1, 2 and 3, and B is a set which consists of X such that X is a prime number less than 10. They have asked us to find A cross B and B cross A. Now let us write down the given sets. A equal to the set 1, 2 and 3 and B equal to the set 2, 3, 5, 7. Now we have to find A cross B. So we have to form the ordered pairs from A to B. So now let us find out the ordered pairs. So it is 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 5 and 1 comma 7. Now let us find the ordered pairs from 2. So it is 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 5 and 2 comma 7. The ordered pair from 3. So it is 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5 and 3 comma 7. So we have got 12 ordered pairs from the set A to the set B. Now let us find B cross A. So let us write down the set B. B is equal to 2, 3, 5 and 7. A is the set 1, 2 and 3. So now to find B cross A, let us find the ordered pairs. So it is 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 5 comma 1, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3, 7 comma 1, 7 comma 2 and 7 comma 3. So now let us go and solve the third sum. It is given B cross A is a set of all ordered pairs minus 2 comma 3, minus 2 comma 4, 0 comma 3, 0 comma 4, 3 comma 3 and 3 comma 4. They have asked you to find A and B. So now let us look into the set of all ordered pairs of the set B cross A. We see that the first element minus 2, 0, 0, 3 and 3 is from the set B. So B is equal to minus 2, 0, 3. Now let us see the second element. It is from the set A. So the elements 3, 4, 3, 4, 3 and 4 are from the set A. So A is a set with elements 3 and 4. Now let us solve sum number 4. It is given A is equal to 5, 6 and B is a set with elements 4, 5 and 6 and C is an element with set 5, 6 and 7. Now we have to find A cross A, which is on the left side of the given equation. So to find A cross A, let us write A is equal to 5, 6. So A cross A is equal to 5, 6 cross 5, 6. So now let us find all the ordered pairs. 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5 and 6, 6. Now let us go into the second side of the equation. So there we have B cross B inside the bracket. So now let us take the set B. So B is equal to 4, 5, 6. So B cross B is equal to, let us write the set twice, 4, 5, 6 cross 4, 5, 6. So to find the ordered pairs between this, so 4 to 4, 4 to 5 and 4 to 6, 5 to 4, 5 to 5 and 5 to 6 and 6 to 4 and 6 to 5 and 6 to 6. Now let us go and find C cross C. Now C is equal to 5, 6 and 7. So C cross C is equal to 5, 6, 7 cross again 5, 6 and 7. So now let us find C cross C. So it is 5 to 5, 5 to 6, 5 to 7, 6 to 5, 6 to 6 and 6 to 7 and 7 to 5, 7 to 6 and 7 to 7. So now let us find B cross B intersection C cross C. Now let us look into B cross B and the set C cross C and find which ordered pairs are common. We see 5, 5 in both. Similarly 5, 6 and 6, 5 and 6, 6. So let us name the equation for the value of A cross A as 1. And let us name the equation of B cross B intersection C cross C as 2. Now we see that the right hand side of 1 and 2 are same. Therefore, A cross A is equal to B cross B intersection C cross C.